We are a custom turnkey sign shop.
The culture of SouthWood is incredibly important. Really spent a lot of time recruiting the most talented folks, and ultimately that's what led us to today and being here in Rock Hill.
We have one of the most talented teams in the industry. We pride ourselves on being a 50-year-old business that operates like a startup. And being in the Southeast, we're in one of the fastest growing markets in the country. So John took the business over in 2016.
We had a great foundation, and we wanted to continue to build off that success and grow this business into a real player in our space.
We doubled in size in our first year, and over the last 6 years, our business has tripled in size from a revenue perspective. Some of that is just a picture and a reflection of the incredible market that we're in. You know, being in York County, Rock Hill.
It's afforded us an opportunity to grow by building out the 65,000 square foot facility, increasing our capacity to meet the demand. 80% of our employees live in Rock Hill. The community is incredibly welcoming, incredibly talented.
As a design-build signage manufacturing business, we've got folks that are behind the computer doing the designs. We've got folks in the production space that are using their hands, they're bringing life to the product. Then our team of installers are going out, putting the sign up.
I've been an environmental graphic designer for over 20 years and enjoy bringing graphic design to a three-dimensional level.
Working together as a team is our greatest strength here at SouthWood. There's no college for building signs, and anybody who's curious enough to reach for something more, we are going to train you how to do it. Delivering consistently keeps people coming back. Providing a good made-in-the-USA product means something to people.
The culture of SouthWood is a family that's focused and aligned on the same core values. It's our people and it's our culture is why we're successful.